Ciao Tesla people. So I'm finishing to put back some of the accessories from my previous Model Y to the new one, and looks like some of the mats they work, the protection they don't. They're too wide and shape is different. The cover in the back there, they look like they work, but somehow on the bottom they have some issues, so I need to figure out that. Probably I need new ones. And inside some of the protection worked okay, and some other didn't work, so I need new ones. Now I was looking at the HALODISCs. Okay, these are the covers for the rims, 21 inches HALODISCs, but I took out the center cover. I'm attacked by mosquitoes. The center cover here, and looks like the hollow black do not fit inside the center lock. Okay, the center lock doesn't fit. Okay, so I need to talk to Hollow Black, the guys at Hollow Black, to see if they have a version that would fit these rims. Okay, these wheels. Now I understand some people would disagree with me to cover this, but the Hollow Blacks, they have two functions. One to protect the rims, the edges from scratches, okay? And the other one to increase efficiency. And I saw my previous Model Y performance, I would increase the efficiency by 10% on a long trip in a highway at around 120-25 kilometers an hour by 10%. That's a lot. That means theoretically, this car is supposed to do 580 kilometers, which means 10% is another 50 kilometers or more, just a bit more. Of course, that's all theoretical, but 10% is always a pretty good stats, especially on long trips. Okay, so the guys are all black. Check out this. They don't fit by probably half a centimeter. Yeah, something like that. Yep. So this is the entrance. Anyway, just I wanted to give you an update. I put this, but I need to change this sticker because I took it out from the other one, and there are some bubble and some scratches, so I want to remove that. I didn't put the matte screen protector yet. And that's it for now. Put some protection in the back, but the shape is different. And the other thing, I don't know if you can tell, but the window tint here is lighter than my previous car. You couldn't see inside with the previous one. With this one, you can, which I don't like it. Personally, I don't like it. Maybe I'll buy some tint and put it on it. So let me go because I'm being eaten by mosquitoes. Check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.